It was raining horribly. And I said, you know what, I'm going to go to Slow Lane, go to Pasadena, right? Slow Lane, we go to Slow Lane, 50 miles an hour, whatever, you know, driving. And then all of a sudden, humongous potholes, because there was water, filled with water. I didn't see it, and it's getting dark.
Oh no.
It went like, boom, boom. Oh my God. I pulled over, thank God the Mercedes rims and the tires are a little bit heavier, you know? Pop bubbles on both tires on the side. Humongous bubbles. Both of them.
Oh no.
Yeah. Debit, right?
Yes.
Okay. 286. 87. Here we go. Well, thank God I didn't damage the rim because the rim was very expensive. 286, 87. Tap it, please. It's a debit, right?
Yes.
Tap.
Yes.
Thank you. Everything. And your receipt will come up. McKenna, how did you find this? We always ask.
Google?
Google. It's working great.
Usually when I get flat tires, it happens overnight. Like I get the last 2 times it was a nail.
My neighbor, yeah.
And I don't like it. Nothing happens. I drive home with the nail. Don't know I have it. And then overnight it deflates. And then when I get in my car, it makes that weird noise like pump, pump, pump. But this time it didn't do it overnight, so that's
please
weird.
Get a AAA card. It's really good. Okay. Yearly, I don't know what it is. The rates. I do have a AAA. It's good. They come and they replace the tire and all that. So at least they give you the spare. That one is good, and also DMV papers and everything. If you want to be done, you can go there. You save a lot of money.
Especially in California.
Yes.
Rates are like mortgages.
So AAA member, be a AAA member. Get the Plus, which is covers up to 100 miles. That's what I have because my wife's, and even on business signature. Get that one. It's a Plus yearly. I think it should be special if you Google it. See how much it is. Get that AAA card and you'll be safe.
Yeah, everyone drives so fast in this place, and then they drive so slow.
I go slow, I'll be honest with you. Why should I love? I live in Glendale and I go Circuit Street from here.
I was in Glendale twice yesterday. I drive a lot. I mean, I just bought 4 tires 6 months ago. That's...
Well, like I said, the 400 is really affecting that.
Yeah.
The keys are in it. It's outside. Thanks again. I put it on the recommendation. It's on the invoice on the top. You'll see it.
All righty.
Thanks again.
No problem. Thank you. Dun, dun, dun.